Jai Shri Ram guys, how are you? I hope you are always fine. So today maxima minima and word problem is very important. I am taking today two problems. First problem is very important for your board exams and concept. Okay. So right now what is this in this question? Show that the volume of the largest cone that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius r is 8 by 27 of the volume of the sphere. I think you understood the question. Simple question. A sphere we have. This is the sphere. Okay. And a cone inside. Okay. A cone inside. Okay. This is the cone. Okay. So question is saying the volume of the cone is largest means maximum, and then prove that the volume of the cone is 8 by 27 of the volume of the sphere. It means when volume of cone is 8 by 27 of volume of the sphere, so that time volume of cone is maximum. Is it clear? Okay, thank you so much. So now we consider here this one is the r, this is also r because of radius, this is the center of sphere, and we consider this is x, this one is the x. Okay. So A, B and C. If we find the radius of sphere, radius of a cone, so radius of cone is equal to under root radius of cone r square minus x square, r square minus x square, radius of cone. Okay, chalo. Now question clear, no problem, no issue. So now volume of cone. So volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square. Radius r square minus x square. Radius is OB. So r square means r square minus x square into height. So height is r plus x. Okay. Height is r plus x. Okay, no issue. This is the volume. Now we will show volume is maximum, and you know very well maximum minimum question. First derivate one time dv upon dx is equal to 1 by 3 pi is the constant. So first function r square minus x square plus r square 0, x square minus 2x. So minus are there because of plus minus minus. So there is 2x and there is r plus x. I hope you understood. So dv upon dx is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square minus x square minus 2xr minus 2x square. Okay. Now again derivate kar lete hain. We will solve because after some time we will solve. So 1 by 3 pi r square differentiation 0 minus 2x minus 2r minus 4x. Okay. So d2 1 upon 3 pi minus 2r minus 6x. I hope you understood this. It is d2v upon dx2. We use after some time because of this is only point where we discuss maxima and minima clearly we find. Okay. So now dv upon dx equal to 0. Next step, dv upon dx is equal to 0. So when you put dv upon dx equal to 0, so 1 by 3 pi r square minus x square minus 2 square, it means minus 3x square. So r square minus 3x square minus 2xr is equal to 0. Is it clear? So r square minus 2xr minus 3x square equal to 0. So r square minus 3xr plus xr minus 3x square equal to 0. So take r common. So r minus 3x and plus x common. So r minus 3x equal to 0. So r minus 3x equal to 0. So x is equal to r by 3. X equal to r by 3 we will put here. Take minus common. I hope you understood this very clearly. So when you put 1 by 3 pi, take minus common. So we will minus common. So inside r plus 6x. X value is r by 3. So this value totally negative. It means d2v upon dx2 is negative. Negative means maximum. Is it clear? I hope you understood that. Now next problem is prove that volume of cone is a 8 by 27 times. So now we will put the value of R where? We will put the value of R here, volume of cone. So volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi. R square minus x square, x value R square. So R square by 9 into R plus x. So R plus R by 3. So 1 by 3 pi, 9 minus R, 8 R square, divided by 9 into 3 R, 4 R, 4 R by 3. Okay. So 27, 4 by 3, take outside, 4 by 3, 4 by 3 and pi R square, pi R cube into 8 by 27. When you notice, this is the volume of sphere. So 8 by 27 is the volume of sphere. I hope you understood, guys. 8 by 27. So in this question is from NCERT, I know very well. And in NCERT, the very difficult problem, very many teachers solving very different methods. So this is the very easiest method. So you know very well. You can see again this question. Okay. Now we will take next question. Next question is so that the semi-vertical angle of a cone of maximum volume of given slant height is tan inverse under root 2 or cos inverse 1 by root 3 something. So now we will make a cone. So when you make the cone, so how to make the cone? Okay, I am taking a triangle. So this is the cone. We are taking this is a cone. Okay. Okay. Slant height. Okay, L, R, H, and this angle is alpha. This angle is alpha. Okay, because something angle something are there, so I am taking alpha because he's saying the semi-vertical angle alpha, semi-vertical of a cone. Okay, so alpha we will take. So if alpha this angle, so we can take a name ABC. So from triangle ABC, triangle ABC saying sin alpha. सबसे पहले first we all take sin alpha is equal to this upon this R by L. So R is equal to L sin alpha. Same cos alpha is equal to base upon L. So H by L. So H is equal to L cos alpha. Volume of cone is equal to V is equal to 4 by 3. 1 by 3 pi R cube. R cube means L cube sin cube alpha into height. Height means कुछ गलती करके sorry. Pi R square H because last question is fair, so in my mind pi R square, so L square sin square alpha into H L cos alpha. Okay, so 1 by 3 pi L cube inside sin square alpha into cos alpha. Okay, so I hope you understood this question from here. Now this is a volume. Now differentiate. So dv by d alpha is equal to 1 by 3 pi L cube. First cos alpha into 2 sin alpha cos alpha minus sin square alpha, and cos alpha differentiation minus sin alpha, so minus already are there. So now first of all, first tell me clear or not. If clear, so we can move from here. Now what can we do? 1 by 3 pi L cube. Take cos alpha sin alpha common. So inside cos alpha cos square alpha 2 sin alpha something, sin alpha common. So cos square alpha minus 2 cos square alpha minus sin square alpha. Okay. Now we have this is a very important point. It is dv by d alpha. So now we will equal to 0 equivalent, and something is common, sin alpha is the common. So 2 cos square alpha is equal to sin square alpha. I'm taking minus sin square alpha is equal to 0. So tan square alpha is equal to 2. So tan alpha is equal to under root 2. So we will make this triangle root 2 1 2 1 3. So it is root 3. So cos alpha is also equal to 1 by under root 3. Many times question asking for cos. Sin alpha if you want to find, so okay, no issue. Sin alpha is equal to under root by under root 3. So this is proof alpha is equal to tan inverse under root 2. Now I am leaving this question because of you. Now you differentiate again and put the value of tan alpha and cos alpha. You get the value positive or negative. I hope you can solve easily. No big issue. You can solve easily, no problem. So how's the video? So please guys like, subscribe and share with your friends. We are doing something new in few couple of days next. So thank you so much guys. Jai Hind, Jai Sri Ram.